Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Tell you what, as you can see, this Jimmy John's apparently does not have a drive-thru, so I'm gonna go in and get it. We're gonna do us a jalapeno, I think it's called the jalapeno chicken sandwich, and we'll go park somewhere so we can talk maybe in a little bit of private, and I'll be right back. Success. I'm not sure if I enjoyed that experience or not, but I'm gonna get out of this parking lot here. It's very public, and go find somewhere to park.
With a 1-year subscription to iHeartRadio All Access, head to iHeartRadioAccessDay.com to register to receive.
I've decided, after I got in the store, guys, I seen that they also had, I did order the Jalapeno Ranch Chicken is what they call it, it's the wrap. But I remember that they also have out, I think it's pretty new that I haven't tried yet, is their little fudge brownie, their fudge chocolate brownie. So we're going to review this for the very first time also while we're at it. And show you what I got. I got some, I'm doing a jalapeno. You guys know how I feel about heat, and I'm a little scared of this sandwich. But they also have some jalapeno chips that I like. Because I was doing a jalapeno sandwich, I just went with the barbecue on this. And for the drink up front, I might get a drink right now. I got the Jimmy John's regular size. I got root beer. Something different. I haven't had root beer in a while. But guys, this is these wraps, and maybe you can help me out. I order a lot of Jimmy John's, and I don't think I've ever ordered a wrap there. Apparently, these have been out before. And I know they've had wraps before. But y'all tell me in the comments, is the jalapeno chicken wrap, is that new? Because I don't remember having that. Just a thought. So anyway, I'm going to come back with this sandwich. I hope there's not a lot of heat here. I love jalapeno flavor, and I don't mind some heat. But if it gets too hot, I'm not going to like this. So we'll find out. I'm going to grab a napkin over here. I didn't get a napkin in my bag, so I reached to my truck stash here. All right, guys. I'm putting this off. Let's go. Let's go. Definitely some jalapeno flavor. So far, I'm not getting any heat. Might not be so bad. Might be a late bloomer too. Another bite. Look at them out. I'm not getting any heat with that. Have you had this sandwich? It's the jalapeno ranch, or jalapeno ranch chicken. It's one of their wraps. Supposedly these are here on a limited time, but apparently they've been out before, if I'm guessing right. But I have never had one, and they are delicious. I like that. I would definitely do that again. It's not real strong at all. When I first bit into it, I got a big dose of that jalapeno flavor, but it doesn't seem to last. So I don't know if that's good or bad. So yeah, who knew? Who knew? Probably everyone else. Tell you what, well, let me try this brownie before we get to my I don't know if it's a bad occasion or not, but we'll talk about it. Try a little bit of this brownie. I'm gonna wait to eat the rest of it, but I'm gonna take a bite for you guys. Very soft. Seems to be. I bet they'll fall apart if I ain't real careful. Check it out. Looks pretty good. Get a bite. Oh. Yeah, it's gonna fall apart. Very chewy. Pretty rich. Even for a brownie, that's rich. Wow. It's good, but it's messy. It is messy. I don't even know if I will eat that whole thing. Probably will, but that's rich. Very rich, guys. Yeah, very rich. I'm going to, I just looked at my sandwich and seen a jalapeno sitting back there. That's going to be interesting when I get into that. I'm going to take another bite so you can, we'll experience that bite together. There's actually some jalapeno, I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if you can see it back there. See that? That's a jalapeno. That might be what I did not get in the first couple bites. Let's go in. Definitely some jalapeno flavor there because I got right into the jalapeno. There's a little heat there. It's kind of one of them heats that kind of sneak up on you. So far, it's not real bad. There's a little heat in that bite because I got directly into the jalapeno and out. Alright, guys, I won't bore you with all of it, but yeah, okay. Get a little heat when you bite into the jalapeno, but I'll be honest, it's not that bad. It's very bearable, and I like the sandwich. I would definitely do that one again. So, guys, woo, there it is. There's heat. I'm getting the heat now. I'm definitely getting the heat now. Okay, you definitely get heat when you bite directly into the jalapeno. That first bite, I just kind of got a hint of the flavor, but yeah. When you get into it, there's a little bit. It is bearable though. I can take this, I think. That's why. This is why I said I'm not going to do a lot of hot food with you. I almost forgot to talk about my experience in the store. I did want to cover that. I order Jimmy John's fairly often. I usually order it from work, have it delivered to my office, and I'll most of the time sit at my desk and just eat my lunch. Or I come over here to the park, and I don't always film it when I'm over here at the park, where I can have a little privacy and get a little time away from the office. However, this time for the video experience, I just kind of wanted to go to the store. I hope they had a drive-thru. They didn't. Found the location, went to the store, and so I went in. Now, I don't know the rituals of going inside the store, of ordering and wait for your food, so I asked a lot of questions, and honestly, it was pretty apparent most of the people that go in that store go there quite often and order food, and they know exactly what to do. I was not that person, so he corrected me quite a bit, and not that I'm against being corrected, but I just don't, I don't know. I did not enjoy that experience inside the store. So, Jimmy John's, keep in mind, not everyone goes to your store every day. Not everyone knows the customary way of ordering food at your store. So keep that in mind, because some of us guys might want to go back there again. And right now, I might just do delivery from now on, or go somewhere else. So, I don't know. Just a thought. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. We're going to do plenty more of these. I'm having a blast doing these, especially here in the truck like this. This is fun for me. Hopefully it's a little entertaining for you. So, guys, thank you as always. Hit that like button. It helps us out a lot. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and hit that bell notification. Let you know every time I post a new video. So, guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye. Get a drink. It's a little hot.